Hello and welcome to The Lazy Gardener. Today I'm going to show you how I prune my melon plants. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
Okay, so I'm growing melon plants without any sort of greenhouse or protection, just in my garden in Zone 9A, UK. Due to this, I have to prune my melon plants, remove all the side shoots as I'm doing here. Side shoots will produce more melons, which I can't produce if I'm in the UK. So I restrict my plants to 1 or 2 melons per plant. It takes a little while just to find all of the side shoots, even the ones on the floor, and I just throw them and I'll put them on the compost heap later. The reason I do this is to ensure that I have enough energy going to my big melons so I get some decent size and sweet melons before the season's over. I'm expecting a harvest at the late summer, just before the first frost, to ensure the melons have enough time to mature. I already have 4 fertile melons. To ensure that I have a good size melon at the end of the season, I need to remove all the flowers on the melon plant, as this melon plant already has 2 melons growing on it. Therefore, I do not need any more. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Remember to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.